Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another day of lunch video. Today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday, but the children didn't have school because it was President's Day. So yeah, we're starting off at Tuesday. So let's just get started. I switched the covers up because Jaxson wanted the blue, so I gave him the yellow top. Whatever, who cares? This is just some mixed nuts. It has almond, what else? I don't know. It's just peanuts. This is, oh Lord, my brain. Okay. I'm so tired. I can't even remember what the food is. Okay, let's go. Grape energy balls that I made. Yeah. I don't know how good they. My husband says it's good. So hopefully they think it's good. Pretzel situation here. This is pretzel. Yeah. A fork. Jaxson broke his fork. Yeah. Great. This is just leftover pasta that we had yesterday. So it's just pasta, tomato, mushroom, some bell peppers, all kind of vegetable is in this. So that's what they're gonna have. I switched up their juice. Yay me. This is 100% apple juice. I don't know how much sugar is on here. Oh wow. Holy. If you guys see that, this is why my husband said I don't read labels, because this is 28 grams of sugar. Okay, they will be drinking this up for the weekend. We're not getting any more. Miss Destiny's having the same thing, except her nut is in a little container. I don't know why I didn't give her a container. I don't know. My brain is not working today. Can you guys tell? An apple. Hopefully she's able to. She's eaten a whole apple before. She's 9. Janice, get it together. Her fork, her juice. This should fill her up, right? I'll see you guys after school. It's after school on Tuesday. No.
Wednesday.
Monday. No, Tuesday. Okay. Pick her up, please. Okay. He did good. Put it in the trash. Miss Destiny did well. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. So today is Wednesday. Yes, so welcome back to my video. Let's see. Start with Destiny or Jaxson. They're both having the same thing, so it doesn't really matter. So this day, today, what am I talking about? Jenny, stop trying to be proper, please. It's not working. So today, I'm using this container. So this side has hummus, and now I need to put it back on.
I'll do it.
So let's see if I can do that with one hand. Okay, that's it. We'll do that. She's gonna have some strawberries, celery here, and then she can dip the celery in the hummus. She likes that. So here, put the cover on. This banana looks really bad, but hey, I promise you it's really good inside. So she's gonna have a banana. Smucker's Uncrustable. This is a chocolate flavored hazelnut spread sandwich. Jaxson said he doesn't like it, so let's see if he's gonna eat it today. Gonna have that. This is a Mott's. This is a fruit snack. Juicy Juice Splashes. I told you guys I would change up, but I did this a while back. I did try this. I know I did. And then Jackson's having the same identical. Jaxson, you can't have this unless you eat this, okay, buddy?
Okay.
You just saying okay, but I know you're gonna eat it anyways. But that's what Jackson's gonna have, and this should be enough food. So I'll see you guys after school today. You got it? Make sure you eat your lunch.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so it's after school on Wednesday. Miss Destiny, I think she did good. Honey, can you turn that off? Okay, so she did good with the hummus and the strawberry and the thing and whatever else was here. Why didn't you eat this? You asked for it.
I didn't eat the hummus.
No, you didn't. There's half of it in the put that in the.
Too much.
Okay, I put too much, or you didn't eat it, young lady.
You put too much.
Okay, put that in the. Throw it out. Ew. Jackson did well.
I ate the gummy last.
You did, Nicky boy.
I ate one.
You didn't eat any of this.
I ate one.
One?
Yeah.
Really?
With that.
You were supposed to eat all of it.
But I didn't like it.
You didn't like the hummus?
No.
Then why didn't you eat the celery?
I just wanted to eat.
You did, but you did. You eat the celery the last time.
Oh my gosh. Celery?
You're gonna eat that now?
Yeah.
That's nasty.
Yep.
How do you think that's nasty?
That is nasty. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Go ahead now.
Hello. For today's lunch is only me because Jackson said he wanted lunch in school. So today is Thursday. For lunch we're going to have a peanut butter sandwich, some waffle pretzel chip, grapes and strawberry, salad, and an Oreo and an apple juice. It's Jackson's here. Jackson said he wanted lunch from home. That's all I'm going to have for lunch.
Okay, guys. So today's Thursday. Jackson decided he no longer. Well, he said he wants to choose lunch from school or choices. I don't know. He said he wants school lunch today, so I will be paying for him to eat school lunch today. And if he decides to go back Friday to home lunch, I will make his lunch from home. Or if he decides to get lunch from school, he will get money for lunch for school on Friday. If that makes sense. But anyways, shh. Okay, shh. Okay, Destiny made her lunch, so everything here she made. I don't even know what's in this container. Open it. It's just salad, no dressing?
There's dressing.
Oh, okay. Alright, so I'll see you guys after school today.
Hey guys, welcome back to another lunch video. Today is Friday, the last day. So Jackson decided he wanted lunch from school. So I'm the only one here, so I'll be having crackers. I'll be just having crackers and oranges and grapes. Apple juice. Apple. And Smucker's Uncrustable Chocolate Flavored Hazelnut Spread Sandwich. It's soft bread. So that's it for this video. Bye-bye. So, bye-bye. Any shout-outs to Pearl and all my friends who watch this video and Mia Joy. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next week in another lunch video. Bye-bye.